So good morning, children. Today we'll do worksheet number 14 related with chapter number 7. So let's start with this worksheet. Write today's date, class, section, roll number. A part, tick the correct options. MCQs are there. Number 1, which of the following plants is endemic to Panchmari Biosphere Reserve? So Tanya has raised.
Wild mango.
Okay.
Wild mango.
Okay. Children, kindly raise
Ma'am,
your
wild
hand only.
mango.
Only raise your hand and one has to speak. Okay. Next is, in which year was the Project Tiger launched? Yes, Pavitra?
1973.
1973. Next is, the animals found in a particular area are termed as, what they are known as? Yes, Ananya Jain?
Ma'am, fauna.
They are known as fauna. Number 4, a group of population capable of interbreeding is known as. Yes, Anshika Goel. What it is known as? This is known as species.
Species.
The red data book is published by, first option is WWF, UNO, IUCN, UNICEF. So what will be the answer for it? Yes, Surbhi?
IUCN.
IUCN. Number 6, restoring the destroyed forest by planting new trees is known as. Yes, Neha Jain?
Ma'am, reforestation.
Reforestation, no option is there. Afforestation is the option. Panchmari Biosphere Reserve consists one national park. Name that park. Yes, Pavitra?
Satpura National Park.
That is known as Satpura National Park. Next is, complete the following statements using appropriate words. So first is, dash are also places where animals receive protection. Yes, Anshika Agarwal. What we can say to that places where animals receive protection?
National Park.
National Park. Anybody else want to say?
Ma'am, zoo.
Animals receive.
Wildlife.
So
Wildlife
wildlife.
sanctuary.
So children, any of the among you can write down, because in all three places animals receive protection. So wildlife sanctuary you can write down. Wildlife sanctuary. Next is, animal whose number are diminishing to such a level that they might face extinction. Yes, Pavitra?
I'm endangered.
Endangered. So kindly write down. Endangered animals. Next, a or an is made up of all the plants, animals and microbes in an area with non-living components such as soil, river, deltas, etc. Yes, Chaitanya? Can you give the answer? Or Anshika Goel? What can be the answer for number 3? Which includes all in that particular area. Yes, Ananya Jain?
Ma'am, ecosystem.
Yes, that is known as ecosystem. Ecosystem. Next is, paper can be recycled dash times for its use.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell beta. How many times?
Ma'am, 5 to 7 times.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5 to 7.
How many times?
Ma'am, 5 to 7 times.
5 to 7 times. 5 to 7 times. Next, passenger pigeon is one of the dash species. So kindly help it out. What can be the fill up for here? Which fill up is there? Passenger pigeon is dash example. Is an example of dash species.
Flora.
It's a migratory.
Ma'am, there can be also extinct.
Yes, you can write down. Extinct भी लिख सकते हो. Because that passenger pigeons are not find out now. Okay, that were in the earlier days. So children, I hope till here everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is C part. Correct the following statements and then write the correct one. Reforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth.
Can I tell?
Yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, deforestation.
Yes, this word is wrong. Instead of this word, there will be a deforestation.
Ma'am, deforestation increase the temperature and pollution level on the earth.
So deforestation is the right answer. Next is the those species which no longer exist on earth are called endemic
Ma'am,
species.
endangered.
Yes, that are known as endangered. So
Ma'am,
this is a wrong.
ma'am, we can write also this now those species which longer exist.
Yes. Endangered. So any of the thing, both you can write down. It's your wish.
Ma'am, there will be extinct.
Yes, it will be extinct. That no longer exist on the earth. Sorry, that will be a extinct. Extinct. So next, let's switch to the next part. D part. Give one word for the following. First is the practice of illegal hunting. What we can say for it? Practice of illegal hunting. Yes, Pavitra.
Poaching.
It's poaching. So kindly write down. Poaching. Next is a huge area reserved for conservation of flora and fauna and limited human activity. So any one of you? Huge area
National parks.
that is conservation. We are conserving flora and fauna there and limited human activities are there. What's it? Yes, Neha, Ananya, any one of you? Tell children what can.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, tell.
Ma'am, biosphere reserve.
Okay. So write down a huge area reserved for conservation of flora and fauna and limited human activities. So any one of you want to say it is a biosphere reserve? So kindly write down. Biosphere reserve. Next is a species restricted to its occurrence to a particular area. To what we can say? If it exists in a particular area. Yes, any one of you?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, endemic species.
Yes. Endemic. Next is variety of plants and animals that live in a particular region. What can be named it? Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, flora and fauna.
Flora and fauna. Next is give one example of each of the following. So, children, you have to give a biosphere reserve in India other than Panchmari. A biosphere reserve in India other than Panchmari. Yes, Ananya Jain. Yes, and yes.
Ma'am, Agastya Mala Biosphere Reserve.
Yes, but so many biosphere reserves are there. You can give the
Ma'am,
name of
Nanda
anyone.
Devi. Nanda Devi.
Yes, you can write down. Nanda Devi. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is also there. Anyone you can write down. Wait, children. Nilgiri Biosphere. Biosphere Reserve, you can write down. Okay, next is
Ma'am, Ma'am Okhala
Bird
Bird
Sanctuary in
Sanctuary.
India.
Ma'am Okhala Bird Sanctuary.
Yes. Okhal.
Ma'am, Atapaka,
Huh?
Ma'am, Atapaka Bird Sanctuary.
Ma'am
Okla Bird Life
Okhala
Sanctuary.
Bird.
A national park in India.
Ma'am Jim Corbett.
Ma'am, Jim
National
Corbett.
Yes, you can write down Jim Corbett. Jim Corbett. Next is
Ma'am, Satpura National Park also.
an endangered animal species of India.
Ma'am, tiger.
Yes, beta. Nilgiri. Nilgiri is guys also there. And south, so many animals are there. Great Indian
leopard. Indian
lion tail
dinosaur.
macaw is there.
Leopard.
Any of
Ma'am,
Ma'am
black.
Red Panda.
yes,
South Asian. Ma'am Red Panda.
yes. Indian even a rhinoceros.
Bustard.
Any one of
Ma'am, Barasinga.
Ma'am Leopard also.
which one?
Ma'am Leopard.
Yes, even Indian vulture. So these all are
An endangered animal
Yes.
species of India.
Indian vulture. Any of the animals name you can write down. So children, this is a worksheet of chapter number 7.
Ma'am short
Number
answer
14.
is left.